Hi Vaishnavi,
Hi, ma'am.
how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, ma'am. What about you?
I'm also good. Thank you for asking. So basically, where are you from, Vaishnavi?
I'm from Hyderabad.
So what is your highest educational qualification?
I completed my post graduation in MBA stream from MBSR Engineering College,
Okay. Which year?
2022 to 24 batch.
Okay, very recent past up.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So how do you know about SPC?
So I got to know SVC, one of my friend Daniel, where he got the placed in the good company and working well. So I joined based on his reference.
Okay. Thank you so much for sharing the genuine feedback, Vaishnavi. Yeah. So after you joined SBC in your 2 months of course duration, what have you learned? Yeah.
So after joining the SVC, I learned accounting and investment banking and research analyst program course. And in that, I means like some of the topics which I remember is the corporate actions, financial market, financial securities, ratio analysis, financial statements. All of these I learned in the 2 months of my duration course.
Okay. So apart from the main course curriculum, have you ever participated in any extra activities?
I gained the communication skills by participating in the jam sessions, discussions.
I'm so glad to hear that you are very proactively participated in all the extra activities as well. And we all know that you are into a very good MNC today. So can you share your interview experience with us?
So after joining SPC, I got placed in two companies, that is State Street and Factset. So coming to the interview curriculum and everything which is goes on with the State Street and the Factset. Coming to the Factset, it will be like we have to pass the test, and next we will be having the operation test.
Operations round 2.
Yeah.
Okay.
They basically focus on the analytical skills
Mm-hmm.
and subject.
Okay. Apart from this, what suggestion you would like to give to the upcoming freshers?
So I would like to give one suggestion that it is a best platform to gain the knowledge and to crack the interviews in the MNC company, not only based on the subject matter, but also it is a best platform to improve our communication skills and confident level.
Thank you so much, Vaishnavi, for your time. And congratulations again that you are in the FactSet. And all the very best for your future.
Thank you, ma'am. Yeah.